All right, guys. Well, this is big news from the Move2Earn community. What I'm going to teach you in this video is how to stake FITFI. Now, FITFI is from the Step.App. It is one of the big players in the Move2Earn gaming space, which is going to be really, really big over the next few years. So this is definitely something that I think you should definitely take a look at if you're interested in Move2Earn and if you're interested in crypto. So they've got a cool website. If you scroll down, it kind of pixelates and then comes on to the next thing. And what I'll do is I'll get to the staking, right? So basically what they want to do is help make exercise fun and make a few different ways to earn. So this is very similar to StepN, but as you can see, it's on the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, but what I want to talk about is staking, because staking has some really interesting options right now. And as you can see here, you will stake your FITFI to get drop tokens. These will allow you to participate in NFT drop events, and there's going to be new collections. So these are going to be dropped, and there is a kind of time where you want to get in on this, because with a lot of these play to earn games, they often reward the early adopters, and you know, it's just something I think is going to be interesting, and there is a very lucrative staking rewards as well. So you can read about that here, but basically what you do is go to the staking page, and you'll get one drop token. So it depends on how much that you want to stake. So there were some people talking on Twitter not knowing how to stake. That's why I wanted to do this video. But if you look at some of these trending Avalanche tokens, you'll see FITFI here is right at the top. It's actually the the top one, peaking right now with the Galaxy score, the social mentions, the social engagement. So this looks like a really good play to get involved with. Even with the price of cryptocurrency crashing, the whole market's going down. Obviously, this has felt a tumble, but today it's kind of holding on to some of that value. If we look at the last 30 days, you can kind of see that while it has come off, there is some room to grow. So you could stake and double your profits at the same time here. You'll see it's already down 43% off the all-time high on something that overall is trending upwards, and that's what's interesting about it. So when it comes to this, what we need to do is we need to get on one of these different exchanges that you can buy this on. And the one I like, the one that I used, is OKX. You'll see it has the largest trading volume and the lowest spread. So that's kind of important. OKX has a lot of these different coins, and if you do want to get involved with some of these different coins, OKX is a good place to get started. So this is my OKX account, and what you will need on your Metamask, okay, is you will need to add the Avalanche C chain. Once you connect to the staking page here, it will ask to use your MetaMask, and it will ask to add on the Avalanche chain. So if you don't know, with MetaMask, you can have some of these different chains. The main one is Ethereum, and then the other ones you might add, and you can just click Add Network and follow a tutorial on how to add that if you want to add it manually. Now that you're on Avalanche, what you want to do is you want to either buy crypto or trade it, and you want to have the FITFI tokens, okay? And so I actually withdrew to my MetaMask address, and you can see that I've got a bunch more here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull all of it out into staking, and so I'm just going to fund that. You'll see it's 3 FITFI as the fee, and then I'm going to click continue. Now I'll put a link to OKX if you want to join this exchange. I'll also link to crypto.com, which is another good exchange where you can get FITFI as well. So you're going to withdraw to your address book, okay? And you'll see that I did this one just a little while ago, and it'll give you a warning when you add the address. Make sure this is an Avalanche address. Now with MetaMask, if you don't know, it's kind of the same address for each kind of network that you're on. If I go to Ethereum, it's the same account number, let's say, on the MetaMask. So we'll do that, and then we'll click continue, and then it's going to need to email me a code, and I'm going to need to use my authentication. So I'll ask for that code, and then I'll ask for the authentication, and then we'll pick this up again. All right, so I'm going to enter my email code, and then I'm going to enter my code from Authy, and I'm not going to skip any verifications. So it's been withdrawn. Okay. Now there are a couple things that you need to know with your MetaMask account here. You will need some AVX. Okay, so you will need a little bit of AVX to do any of the fees of anything that you do on the Avalanche blockchain. So you'll also need to send some Avalanche to your address. There also is a cost, so you do want to make sure to send a little bit more than you expect. One of the things that you'll notice here is on the staking page, I'll just go to the staking page again. I have 0.999 per day because of how much I staked, because I didn't account for the fees. Okay, so when that comes in, then we will be able to add the rest of it and stake the rest of it. Because right now I'm just staking 100 FITFI tokens, and so I'm going to stake a little bit more. So if we go to how it works here, basically this is the important thing. So you can stake FITFI, and then you earn the drop tokens. For every 100 FITFI staked per 24 hours, you earn 1 drop token. And then at the end of the loot box event, a snapshot's taken, a lottery takes place, loot boxes are awarded, and you get bonus drop tickets for higher stakes. But no single address can earn more than 5 loot boxes. So it may contain sneakers, skins, avatars, badges, and the probability of a loot box giving a sneaker is 35%. So that's not bad if you can get a sneaker. The sneakers on StepN are, cost like about $1,000, like 11, 12, 13 Solana tokens. And so I expect that this might be interesting as well. So you can earn some income on it as well. And so this is, I think, going to be very interesting, particularly with the social engagement and the social excitement of what's happening online with this. So once this comes in, I'll do the rest of the thing and show you how you can stake your FitFi tokens and earn these drop tokens, or drop tokens that are going to be beneficial when Step.App launches. You can see here we've got our FitFi tokens, and so the easy way to stake is just to you can go here and you can see that it's got my address. I'm already connected, so you do want to connect, and then you'll click stake, right? So it says how much that I have here, and so I'll click max. And so I'll get about 2.78 drop tokens per day, and I'll click stake. Okay, so it's going to ask me to do this, and this is why you need to have the Avalanche in your account, because that's going to be the gas fees. It is very minimal, but you do need to have that as well in your MetaMask account. So if you got those things on, then you shouldn't have any problem staking. And as you can see here, now we've got that all staked, and I'm staking 377 FitFi tokens. So basically I'll get 3.7 tokens per day. And as the snapshot counts down, it'll allow you to put more on there to kind of customize that to what you want. Overall, I think this is a really interesting project. Again, with what's going on with social media, particularly when you look at the Galaxy score, social mentions, and engagement, this is the most popular ecosystem on Avalanche right now, more than Sushi, more than Trader Joe, more than Avalanche itself. So it's something that I think you should look at. Yeah, definitely, if this fits your portfolio, it's definitely something to look at. Anyhow, that's how to stake your FitFi tokens. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll be glad to do everything that I can. Thanks.